Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain some more numerical problems on coordinate geometry. In this first problem is the points 2, 3, x comma y, 3 minus 2 are the vertices of a triangle. If the centroid of this triangle is origin, find x comma y. Okay, now what is given? 3 points given. These 3 points are coordinates of triangle, vertices of a triangle. Its centroid given, that is at origin. That means what? Origin means the coordinates of origin. The coordinates of origin we know 0, 0. So the centroid is given 0, 0. That is the meaning. If centroid is given means what? We should calculate the centroid by using these points. We will get the centroid coordinates, but given that coordinates 0, 0, you equate those two, then we will get the unknown variables. That is the technique here. Now see, suppose A 2, 3, B x comma y, C 3 minus 2 are the vertices of a triangle. See, this is the centroid of this triangle. G is the centroid of this triangle. But we know the G is at O, means 0, 0. That means this is passing through the origin, this point passing through the origin. That means the G value is 0, 0. First you should calculate the centroid by using these 3 points by the formula that we should equate with 0, 0. Now let A 2, 3, B x comma y, C 3, minus 2 are the 3 points of the triangle. Let G be the centroid. G be the centroid at origin. Therefore, coordinates of the centroid is equal to 0, 0 because at origin. So the coordinate of centroid 0, 0. Now x1 is 2, x2 x, x3 3, x1 x2 x3, y1 is 3, y2 is y, y3 is minus 2. These points we know. Now centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle by the formula. This is by the formula. This is given by the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That we know formula. Now substitute these values. Linely I wrote x1 x2 x3. That's why 2 plus x plus 3, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma linely I wrote 3 plus y minus 2 by 3, y1 plus y2 by 3. You simplify this, x plus 5 by 3. This is x plus 5 by 3. This is only 1 because 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 plus y by 3. This is the centroid of the triangle. We know centroid is given centroid is 0, 0. Given centroid is 0, 0. Therefore, this you equate it. Here I am doing x plus 5 by 3, comma 1 plus y by 3 is equal to 0, 0. This is the coordinates of centroid. This is also coordinate centroid of the same triangle. That's why you should equate x coordinate to x coordinate, y coordinate to y coordinate to get the variables. So x plus y by 3 is equal to 0. 1 plus y by 3 is also 0. Now x plus 5 is equal to 3 0 0 cross multiplication, y plus 1. Here nothing is there means one time only. This is also 0. So x is equal to minus 5, y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the required point x comma y is equal to minus 5 minus 1. Minus 5 minus 1 is the required answer. He asked that x comma y. Okay. Second problem, see. 1, 2, 4y, x6, 3, 5. These are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order. Find xy. In the points you missed and x, y you gave. These are the vertices of parallelogram you gave. By using the parallelogram properties, we should find the xy values. Suppose, see. Parallelogram. The points are A, 1, 2, B, 4, y, C, x, 6, D, 3, 5 are the points taken in order. Diagonals AC and AC. These two diagonals intersect at O. Now, what is the property? In previous class, like this problem, one problem I explained. So, what is the property of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal, that is property. Diagonals not equal, that is also property. But here, the diagonals bisect each other. In parallelogram also, rectangle also, square also, rhombus also. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other in parallel. Bisect means what? They will make them equal parts themselves. That means this point divides AC into equal parts and BD into equal parts. That is, this is the midpoint of AC and BD. That is the point. This is the midpoint of, see, suppose square is C square. So, square also, this bisect each other. Rectangle you take, rectangle also, the point bisect each other. Now, this is parallelogram also. Lengths are different, but bisect each other means equal parts. Rhombus also. Okay, that we should know, because in other problem, instead of parallelogram, maybe rectangle given. So then also same process you should do. That's why I explained. Okay. In this case, parallelogram given, but instead of parallelogram, in exam you will give rhombus. Then the process not change if you know this. Okay. Now, let A 1, 2, B 4, y, C x, 6, D 3, 5 vertices of a parallelogram. Vertices of the parallelogram. Okay. O is the intersecting point. Intersecting point of the diagonals. Intersecting point of the diagonals AC, BD. This is intersecting point of this. We know in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. On this condition only. That means, that is, OA is equal to OC, OD is equal to OB, like that. Therefore, O is the midpoint of, that's why O is the midpoint of AC, BD. O is the midpoint of AC, BD. How can you say this is midpoint of both? They are intersecting. Intersecting means what? This piece equal. So, this is midpoint of BD. This piece equal. Then only midpoint of both. That's why we wrote here clearly that condition. Now, midpoints you calculate for AC and BD. AC midpoint you calculate, BD midpoint you calculate. Both same, no, you equate. Then variables you will get. Now midpoint of AC. Points, right? 1 to A point, C point, x comma 6. Now x1, y1, x2, y2. That is, formula is what? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula. Substitute the values. x1 is 1, x2 is x by 2, 1 plus x by 2. Here x1 is, y1 is 2, y2 is 6 by 2. If you simplify 1 plus x by 2 only, this 8 by 2. Further simplify 1 plus x by 2, comma 4 by 1. This is the midpoint of AC. Now midpoint of BD. Write the points B, 4 by D, 3, 5. Now x1, y1, x2, y2. Formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Substitute the values. 4 plus 3 by 2, 4 plus 3 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2. Y plus 5 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is. Now 4 plus 3 is 7 by 2. This is y plus 5 by 2 only. Now, but O is the midpoint of AC comma BD. Therefore, this is the midpoint of AC comma BD. Therefore, both you equate. 1 plus x by 2, this point, midpoint of AC is 1 plus x by 2, comma 4 by 1. This is equal to, for BD, 7 by 2, comma y plus 5 by 2. So, this is the x coordinates, y coordinates. So, x coordinates equate, y coordinates equate. Now, 1 plus x by 2 is 7 by 2. Y plus, variables I am writing first. Y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 4 by 1. See, y only I equated. Reverse also no problem. This also x. By this we will get the variables. By cross multiplication, 2 into 1 plus x is equal to 2 7s are 14. So 1 plus x is equal to 14 by 2, that is 7. 1 plus x is equal to 7 implies x is equal to 7 minus 1, x is equal to 6. From this cross multiplication, y plus 5, 1 into y plus 5 is equal to 2 4s are 8. Only 1 is there, y plus 5 is equal to 8 only. Y is equal to 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, y is equal to 3. X comma y. What is the point? See, values. X. Therefore, values he asked. X is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. Find x comma y. That means x6, y3. These are the points. I hope everyone understood this lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.